Another day, another elephant ride. In the river.
Yeah.
Look, we're riding bareback. We thought we'd treat ourselves, we heard about this one.
So happy. Oh. Splish splash, we're having a bath.
Get in.
Oh. It's cold.
Don't want to get in, it's too cold. It's got to go. The elephant just belled us off. That's so funny.
Hello.
Is that nice?
Refreshing. Oh. Get on there.
Oh, you have a go. We're in no rush. Yeah, don't go underneath the elephant.
1, 2, 3.
Surf's up, surf's up. You got to surf it, Kaz.
I can't surf. Fucking bronco.
Getting up.
Look at, no. Lô lan. Dạ. Lô lan đâu? Dạ.
Hold.
Lô lan đâu? Bên.
Oh. So cute.
Oh. Come on, Kaz. Come on. Stand up. Go up. Yes. He said stand up.
Are you recording?
Yep. Thank you.
See if you can stand up.
Ben.
Oh,
Ben.
proper refreshing.
Ben. Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
oh, it's so cute. How refreshing is this? Oh. Haha. Yeehaw.
Look. Okay. Now.
Go. Bear in mind, he's got longer legs than I have, so it's easier for him to get up. Stand up! How's that feel?
You just shit in the water.
Oh.
Ben.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Uber cool.
Come here.
Come by. Sit.
Lô lan.
40 years old, this elephant is.
Lô lan.
And it just proves the elephant will only do what it wants to do. Oh, uber cute. A monkey on an elephant. Who would have thought it?
Yes! Hello. You go in here, careful, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, pull that way.
How much fun is this?
Awesome! We got a fucking elephant.
He's a fucking bronco.
Any day. Oh. I reckon my life is definitely complete now. Oh, so adorable. Hey, little truck.
It's like the funniest climate frame in the whole world.
Beautiful.
Look at.
Oh, hey. Better than any ride. Awesome.
That's actually a real good time. Avoided an elephant.
Woohoo! Hardcore, you know the score.
Yeah.
So cute. Oh my gosh. Now let's get this from another angle.
Oh. More than 5 seconds this time.
Come on.
Oh, look at. No.
Oh.
Hello, Ben.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. It's so easy. Dive! This is the funniest thing I've ever done. And the coolest thing I've ever done. No chance of getting on. Oh! Coming off. Hey! Awesome! Oh. Head down. Head up. Oh. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. So I want to get involved. I feel left out. I feel all alone.
Yeehaw!
Oh.
You win every time, man.
Right, over and out. Supposed to stay on it.
I can't stay on it. You filming or photoing it?
Filming now. Best £6 ever spent. Right, you're going to do it this time, Kaz.
He's not quiet.
Cards one-handed, rocking bronco.
Only one-handed.
Right.
Hello.
Right. Oh, I'm lazy.
Video hả?
Yeah, it's video.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Đây. Look here, look here, look here.
You don't know what he's gonna do.
Look here. Thả. Nó lâu. Dạ nè, nó lâu. Quét, thả. Nó lâu. Dạ, nó lên này. Dạ. Nó lá nè, nó lâu. Melo. Cái này melo. Melo, đi. Go.
Oh man. That's some funny shit. Get on!
You get off!
Ven!
You make it look so easy!
Ven!
Right,
Okay.
you can do this.
What?
You can do this.
I can't do it! Okay, you. Alright.
Okay? That's a good girl. Now grip on with your legs. Hold on to the ears.
Oh my god. Say something.
Hold on. That's it, Bear. Lie down. They're like dogs really, they don't really listen. They will fetch eventually. They may sit eventually.
I'm too scrawny.
Ew.
The expression.
Yeah. Just let him do his thing. Just having a number 2 a minute.
Oh gosh.
Is this fun?
Uber East. Loved it.
Yeah.
Gert lush. Gert lush.
We weren't going to do an elephant ride again, but we heard about this one.
And how could we not?